Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide a page on Wix. So let's get started. In order to do that, you can just head over to your Wix website editor. And then once you're in here, you can just see this third icon, which is named Pages and Menu. So just head over and click on the Pages and Menu right here. Then once you have done that, you can see the pages that you have on your actual website. So just choose the one that you want to hide. You can hide a site menu, a store page, or light boxes. So just click on the page that you want to hide. For me, I want to hide locations. And then click on the three dots beside that. From in there, click on hide. Then as you can now see this icon right here, which is the hidden icon. Now, when you head over to your site navigation menu, you will be able to see that location has been turned off or it's been hidden on your website. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to hide a page on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.